Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid, and today I brought a new topic, and I thought that if we examine dialogues in Chinese language, then it will become more easier for us to understand the sentence structure of Chinese language. And as these dialogues are taken from books, so it will be authentic, and this course will not only be for beginners but also advanced learners. So without wasting our time, let's just begin with our dialogue for today, and we are going to discover what we are going to learn in this lecture. This lecture would be a little bit lengthy in its nature, but I believe that those who are true learners of Chinese language, they will not get bored by the length of this video lecture. So let's just get started. Now the situation, come to the situation that what are we going to deal with in this lecture. It is a situation in which a student who got sick and he visits a doctor while his teacher is asking about him, that why he did not come to school today. So it's basically a dialogue between a teacher and one of the student in the class, and he is asking about the reason of absence of the person, I mean the student. So let's go ahead. Now we are having two characters in this dialogue. The first one is ha li. Ha li means, in English, it's Harry. Ha li. Ha li. Harry. Okay, so Harry is sick and he did not go to school. And another one is Zhang Lao Shi. Zhang Lao Shi, teacher Zhang, who I mentioned, is concerned about the absence of Harry. So this is the dialogue. The dialogue begins from here, and what he asks from the students in the class. So you can see here, this is the Pinyin. Normally people are concerned about the Pinyin, those who are beginners, because initially when you start to learn Chinese language, then it's hard to comprehend these characters. But if we go slowly in learning, we can easily remember and memorize these characters. That's not a big deal. So character by character we are going to deal with this, but first we are trying to pronounce it. 现在8点钟，已经上课了。同学们都进教室了。张老师也来了，哈利还没有来。张老师问哈利去哪儿了？哈利去哪儿了？为什么没有来？为什么没有来？ Okay, so here word by word, 现在8点钟 Okay, this is about this. It's already, or it's 8 o'clock right now. 现在8点钟. It's 8 o'clock. It's 8. Okay, 已经, this character, this. The pinyin of this character is here, this one. You see, this one. 已经, already, already. 上课了, 上课了. The class begins. The class already began. 上课了. Okay, one of its meaning is to go to the class. And this one, 同学们, 同学们, classmates, class fellows, are in situations. It can also stands for student. 同学们. 都 means all. 都 means all. Everyone. I mean, include every classmate, every student, every class fellow. They had entered the class. 进教室了. 进 means to enter. 进 means to enter. 进 教室了. 教室 is classroom. Okay, I prepared a list of these words, and you can also find alternative meanings of these words in that list. 教室 le is showing the action that they are in the class already. Okay, that is why the class began. 张老师也来了. 张老师也来了. Teacher Zhang also came. Teacher Zhang also came. Lai means to come. La is baking this lai. Coming. Harry 还没有来. 还没有来. Harry is still not in the class. Still did not come. 还 still 没有. 没有 means do not, and it can also means not. Okay, so still did not come. 张老师问. Teacher Zhang asked, 哈利去哪儿了? 哈利去哪儿了? 哈利 Harry 去 go, but here if we say 了去了 and 哪儿 means where. So 去 means go. So where did Harry go? Where did Harry go? 为什么没有来? 为什么没有来? Why? 为什么 why? 没有 did not come 来. Why did Harry not come? Okay, so I also give the English translation of this. You can see it from here. Okay, it's 8 o'clock now. The class has already started. As I said, 已经上课了. The students are all in the classroom. 同学们都进教室了. 张老师也来了. Mr. Zhang is also here. He also came. 哈利还没有来. Harry hasn't come yet. Teacher Zhang asked. 张老师问. 哈利去哪儿了? Harry, where has Harry gone? 去哪儿了? Where has Harry gone? Where did he go? Why didn't he come? 为什么没有来? Okay, so we will do one thing, that we will read the characters along with its pinyin, and we are going to see the meaning of the same pinyin and those characters in the next slides. Okay, so we will continue this pattern in the upcoming slides. ये कहानी है, I'll repeat it in Urdu for those who are trying to learn in Urdu. कहानी है एक शागिर्द की जिसका नाम है हैरी और एक टीचर जो कि क्लास में मौजूद है जिसका नाम है जांग, मिस्टर जांग और टीचर जांग. वो क्लास में मौजूद है, 8 बज रहे हैं, क्लास शुरू हो रही है, लोग बैठे हुए हैं. यहाँ पे ये कह रहा है 现在8点钟 के अभी पहले से ही 8 बज चुके हैं. 已经上课了, क्लास शुरू हो चुकी है. 同学们都进教室了. स्टूडेंट्स जो है, तालिब इल्म जो है, तुलबा जो है वो भी क्लास में दाखिल हो चुके हैं. जांग लाओशी ये लायला, जांग लाओशी जो है टीचर जांग जो है, उस्ताद जांग जो है वो भी क्लास के अंदर ही है. और हाली हाई मेयो लाए, हैरी जो है एक स्टूडेंट है जो कि अभी तक नहीं आया है. जांग लाओशी वन, जांग जो टीचर है वो पूछता है हाली ची नाला, कहाँ गया है, हैरी कहाँ गया है. स्टूडेंट जो है वे सम मेयो लाए, और वो क्यों नहीं आया. ठीक है, तो वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू इट अहेड and we will not spend that long on each and every dialogue, but let's proceed. So these are the words. I told you that I prepared a list and you can see the meaning of each and every word, and also you can see alternative meanings of these words. So this one is here, the first one, 现在. It stands for now and at present, at the moment. 8点钟 8 or 8 o'clock. 上课 上课 attend a class or go to class, or the class begins. 同学们 同学 同学 be in the same school, be a schoolmate of somebody, fellow student, schoolmate. 教室 classroom, schoolroom. 哈里 Harry, 还没有 not yet. 哪儿 where, anywhere, wherever. 为什么 why is that, how is it that. 没有来 fail to come, 没有来 fail to come. Okay, so let's proceed. In this dialogue we are further continuing the dialogue happening in the class. So here you can see we will just pronounce the pinyin and we will see the meaning of this in the next slide. Okay, so here 他病了一个同学回答老师他去医院了吗老师 okay, 他 here see 去医院了吗 okay, here 同学去了昨天上午他觉得不舒服 here 下午去医院了 okay, so these are the characters and we are going to say it over here. 他病了一个同学回答老师他去医院了吗同学去了昨天上午 here 上午他觉得不舒服下午去医院了 okay, we are going to proceed towards the English meaning of it. Here you can see, so 他病了 病 means sick, 病了 got sick, he is sick, he got sick. 一个同学回答 one of the students answered. 一个同学 回答通老师张老师 OK 他去医院了吗 Did he go to the hospital? Teacher is asking about that. 同学去了 Yes means he went. 昨天上午他觉得不舒服 He didn't feel well. Yes, he didn't feel well yesterday morning. And 下午去医院了 Went to the hospital in the afternoon. Okay? So, यहाँ पे ये बता रहा है कि他病了वो बीमार है一个同学回答एक तालिब इल्म ने जवाब दिया क्लास के अंदर जांग लाउशे जो है वो कह रहा है क्या वो हॉस्पिटल गया है ता ची ई युआन लमा क्या वो अस्पताल गया है थोंगशे तो इस पे तालिब इल्म जवाब देता है चूला गया है ज़ुआ थियन शांग वू ता जुएदा पू शू फू yesterday 昨天 yesterday कल शांग वू जो है ये भी मॉर्निंग के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है जाओ शांग जो है वो भी मॉर्निंग के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है लेकिन जो है मॉर्निंग के टाइम्स में फ़र्क होता है तो ये भी यहाँ पर फोर नून के लिए भी इस्तेमाल होता है ये तो वो पूछता है कि वो अच्छा महसूस नहीं कर रहा था कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं कर रहा था आरामदेह महसूस नहीं कर रहा था तो सुबह के वक्त तो वो गया है दोपहर को डॉक्टर के पास अस्पताल में यहाँ पे डॉक्टर का जिक्र नहीं है ई युआन मीन्स अस्पताल हॉस्पिटल ओके प्रोसीडिंग दिस इज द लिस्ट 回答回答回答回答 answer reply response 老师 teacher schoolmaster 去医院 Qi means to go, 医院 means hospital. Go to the hospital or go to the doctor. If you're going to a hospital, it means that you're visiting a doctor. 昨天昨天昨天昨天 yesterday. 上午 forenoon or morning. 下午 afternoon. 医院 hospital. 病了 病 means sick. 病了 got sick. Proceeding. So here you can see the dialogue continues and 老师 here you can see two words okay by the oblique they are separated so it means this one is tai fu it is written as this word is ta but here it is read as tai fu or 医生 doctor 给他药了吗给他药了吗大夫医生给他药了吗 here 给他药了给 means to give 他 means he 药了吗药 means medicine 了他药了 so the doctor give medicine to Harry. Ma is a question asking particle. 同学给了 given. Okay, or you can simply say yes. 老师他吃药了没有 or 他吃药了吗 These are two types of questions you can ask someone about, agree on something that he has done. Okay, the teacher here is asking that did Harry take medicines? Okay, so 他吃药了没有 You can put this in the end of the sentence and turn it into a question, and here or you can simply put a ma particle here, a word, and make the sentence a question. Okay, 同学吃了 eaten. Okay, already ate. So यहाँ पर लाओश टीचर जो है वो पूछ रहा है कि ताइफू और ईशंग डॉक्टर को कहते हैं वो पूछ रहा है कि क्या डॉक्टर ने उसको मेडिसिन दी है तो तालिब इल्म जवाब देता है जी हाँ दी है तो फिर टीचर कहता है कि क्या उसने दवाइयाँ खाई है तो ये दो तरीक़ों से आप ये सवाल पूछ सकते हैं सिर्फ जो है आप सिंपली सेंटेंस बोले ठीक है और उसके आखिर में मेयो लगाए इसका जो है वो क्वेश्चन में जो है वो बदल जाएगा, वो सिंपल सेंटेंस, ठीक है। अगर हम ये कहें कि ता चियावला, उसने दवाई खाई, लेकिन हमने आखिर में मेयो लगा दिया, तो इट मीन्स कि हमने उसको क्वेश्चन बना दिया। तो क्या उसने दवाई खाई है, और सिंपली यू कैन पुट मा, जो कि बहुत ही कॉमन है चाइनीज़ ज़बान में कोई भी सवाल पूछने के लिए। तो हमने सिंपली ये पूछा कि क्या उसने दवाई जो है वो खाई है, तो टीचर जो है ये पूछ रहा है, तो तालिब इल्म जवाब देता है चला। चला मीन्स कि उसने खाई है दवाई। So let's proceed to the English translation of this. Here you can see 老师 means teacher, 大夫 or 医生 doctor. So 给他药了吗? Did the doctor give him medicine, give Harry medicine? So the classmate says yes, given. 给了 means given. Okay, teacher, 他吃药了没有? Or 他吃药了吗? Has he taken any medicine? 同学吃了 yes, he took medicine. He took medicine, or he has taken medicines, or he has eaten medicines. यहाँ पर जो मैंने वजाहत की पीछे, तो ये उसकी English की translation है. Here are the words in English, and you can see 大夫 or 医生 means doctor or physician, 同学 schoolmate, 吃药 means take the medicine, 没有 not have, there is not, be without, ma question asking word or particle in Chinese. So these are the words we already learned in this dialogue. So going ahead, the next day, now it is a situation in which the teacher is taking a next class the next day, and we are going to see the opinion of each and every word. 老师 means teacher. Okay, so I am going to go word by word in the Pinyin first, so that you can have an idea of what those characters stand for. So 今天 today, 早上 in the morning, 他觉得怎么样? 他觉得怎么样? So 今天早上他觉得怎么样? How is he feeling today? We are going to see that in English, but here 今天 today, 早上 morning, 他 he 觉得 to feel, 怎么样 how 怎么样 how, 起床了吗? 起床了吗? Okay, 起床了吗? 起床 to get out of bed, to rise from the bed, 吗? 同学 class fellow, classmate, 还没有今天早上他头疼发烧 here 没起床老师他什么病医生说了吗? 同学医生说了是感冒 okay, 感冒 so 今天 means this one, 今天 today, 早上 in the morning, he 觉得 feel 怎么样 how 起床 बिस्तर से बाहर निकलना, 还没有 अभी नहीं या अभी तक नहीं, not yet. 今天 as I said it earlier today. 头疼 headache, 头疼 headache सर में दर्द होना. 发烧 fever, बुखार. 没起床 没起床 अभी तक नहीं उठा है बिस्तर से. 老师他什么病 क्या बीमारी है. What is the sickness, what's wrong with him. Okay. 医生说了吗, 医生说了吗. उसने पहले पूछा. First he asked what's the sickness and what did the doctor say. So the 同学医生说了, doctor said, 医生 doctor 说了 said, 是感冒 it's cold, he caught cold, 是感冒是感冒. 今天早上他觉得怎么样？起床了吗？同学还没有。今天早上他头疼发烧没起床。起床。老师他什么病？医生说了吗？同学医生说了是感冒。Okay, so we are going to proceed towards the English meaning of it. And here is teacher, 老师 teacher, how did he feel this morning? Did he get up? Classmate, not yet. This morning he had a headache, a fever, and didn't get up. And teacher, what's wrong with him? What did the doctor say? Okay, it's actually the whole sentence, so it's what did the doctor say? Classmate, the doctor said it's cold. It's a cold. Okay, he got cold. Okay, proceeding ahead. And these are the words. 今天早上 this morning, today morning, 怎么样？好。起床 rise, get up, get out of the bed. 还没有 not yet, be yet, to seek, not yet, yet. 早上 morning, 头疼 headache, 发烧 have a fever, have a temperature. 感冒 cold, common cold, influenza, catch cold. So ये आपके सामने मीनिंग नज़र आ रही है और आप आसानी से अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि क्या क्या उसकी उर्दू में मीनिंग्स हो सकती है, और जैसे मैंने ऊपर भी इसके बारे में बता दिया. So the conversation continues, and this one is the last one. 老师可能他穿的太少，你们一定要注意，别感冒。老师可能他穿的太少，你们一定要注意，别感冒。So 老师 teacher 可能 possibly 他 he 穿的 to wear. 穿 means to wear. The is a particle used after a verb. Okay, so 太少 means too less, I mean short cloths, any type of cloths what he is wearing, but because of the short cloths, too short cloths he was wearing, not fit for the weather he was wearing, so that is why he was sick, or he caught cold. So that is why he is now advising the other students, the other classmates of Harry, that 你们一定要注意。一定, if it is used as an adverb, it means that certainly, surely, necessarily. आपने लाजमी ख्याल रखना है. 要注意. 要 means to need, of the need of something. 要注意, to pay attention on your dressing, to pay attention on suiting to the weather. Okay. 别感冒 don't 感冒 catch cold, so don't get sick. So he is now here advising the students. And here is the English. Maybe he wears too little. You plural, 你们 here, this one. You plural, 一定要注意. Must be careful. 要注意 must be careful, must pay attention on your dressing in the cold weather. 别感冒 don't get don't be careful not to catch a cold. Okay, so I'm going to have a list of these words: 可能 possible, probable, can, may, possibly. 一定 as an adverb means necessarily, surely, certainly. 注意 pay attention to take note of, be careful, take care. So these are the words. So this is all about today's lecture. In today's lecture we learned about a scenario in which a student got sick. His name is Harry, and his teacher Zhang, who's concerning about the absence of Harry, and he's asking his classmates that why did Harry not come to school today. And they are, one of the classmates of Harry is explaining to the teacher about the situation happened to Harry, and then he's asking about reasons, and he's asking about whether Harry did go to hospital, and did he take medicines, and on the next day he's asking about Harry's health, or how is he feeling. So the student again explains the situation of Harry, that he's still not feeling okay, and the dialogue proceeds in this way, and we have learned about how to read, and we have learned about how to character by character. I showed you that what is the pinyin of the characters that I given in the beginning of the lecture. So the dialogue ends on an advice by the teacher Zhang to the students, the classmates of Harry, that because of wearing too little, or because of wearing too little clothes, that is why Harry caught cold and he is sick, and he got fever, and he got headache and all other problems to him right now. So you better be paying attention to wearing suitable clothes according to the weather. So that was the dialogue. I have given the lists of the words. If you have any problem in those, you can ask in the comment section. Give me your feedback about this lecture, and it was lengthy, but for the learning purpose, learning needs time, so you have to give time to learn. And even I'm learning. I'm a learner, I'm a foreigner, and I'm learning, and I'm giving my 100% to understand these things. These are new, these are alien to me, and these would be alien to you too. But if we are dedicated learners, then we can possibly overcome those shortcomings and loopholes that are coming in front of us, and we can cross the line of those barriers that are coming in front coming against this challenge. Okay, if this challenge is coming in front of us, so we can bear it, and we can be if we are true learners, so we can do this. It's not a big deal. तो ये कहानी, जैसे कि मैंने इंग्लिश में बताया कि कहानी थी टीचर जांग की और हैरी की, और कैसे वो बीमार होता है, और कैसे एक तालिब इल्म जो है उसकी सिचुएशन के बारे में टीचर को बताता है, और फिर जो है अगले दिन जो है वो टीचर फिर पूछता है कि कैसी है तबीयत उसकी, तो तालिब इल्म फिर जवाब देता है कि उसको बुखार है और ये चीज़ें हैं. तो इस तरह ये डायलॉग ख़त्म होता है. उम्मीद है आपको ये पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको ये पसंद आया है तो आप सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, और अपने जो है कीमती कमेंट्स में ये लिख कर बताएं कि क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट आनी चाहिए. मैं ख़ुद भी सीख रहा हूँ, मैं ख़ुद भी एक लर्नर हूँ, और फीडबैक जो है जैसे ही मिलता है तो इंसान जो अपनी इस्लाह करता है, इम्प्रूवमेंट करता है, तो वो मैं भी कोशिश करूँगा. तो अगर आपको ये लेक्चर पसंद आया है तो गिव इट अ लाइक एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब. We are going to meet in next lecture. That would be also interesting. I am focusing on different aspects and different perspectives according to learning, because learning is sometimes it becomes boring when it's traditional, but sometimes we cannot, go beyond these ways of learning, so we have to be restricted sometimes to the typical way of learning. So this was all for today, and I wish to see you soon as possible, and see you next time. 再见. Allah Hafiz.